Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ENERMAX StarryKnight SK30 V2 Airflow Mid-Tower PC case. So friend, ENERMAX announced the new StarryKnight SK30 Mid-Tower PC case, a follow-up and upgrade to its last generation SK30 PC case. The SK30 V2 comes with refreshed tall 140mm and 120mm ENERMAX SquA RGB ADV fans with PWM the SK30 V2 comes with refreshed tall 140mm and 120mm ENERMAX SquA RGB ADV fans with PWM function, and the SquA RGB ADV fan as one of the ENERMAX most powerful ARGB fans, diverse 40% stronger airflow than other regular case fans with an enlarged blade surface, and the combination of air inlet and vortex frame design will not only bring in more air but also direct and concentrate airflow across the system component. In addition to two USB 3.2 port, now comes with USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, which allow higher data transfer speed and makes it easier for user to connect and change device without needing multiple types of cables and adapters. The multiple types of cables and adapters. They also comes with 6-port control hub that support ARGB lighting effects, synchronization as well as PWM fan hub, and the IO reset button allow you to switch between 13 preset lighting effects without any additional software installation. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.